Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to turn on and off notification setting on Solflare mobile app. So in order to do that, first of all, go ahead and launch open your Solflare application on your mobile device. Once you're inside the home page of Solflare, tap on the settings button at the bottom right hand corner, which is also indicated as a gear. Now this will open up the settings interface where you'll need to tap on notifications. If you've not enabled your notification and you'd not like to miss whenever you receive assets and other important wallet activity, tap on enable notifications button. In the pop-up, click on allow. Now you can go ahead and enable those notifications you'd like to receive. If you toggle on the button right next to receive notification and if you turn it yellow, it means that you'll get notified whenever you receive tokens on your wallet. If you want to receive notification for received collectibles, enable the next button right next to received collectibles. Similarly, you can also receive notifications for sent tokens and sent collectibles by enabling these two buttons at the bottom. Once you turn on notifications on Solflare, you will now receive notifications or alerts for any transaction movement, security alerts, network events, and much more. If you ever want to turn off notifications on Solflare, you can go ahead and get to this same option. Go to settings and then tap on notifications. Toggle off the button right next to each options, and then you will no longer receive such notifications from Solflare app. So that is how you easily turn on and off notification setting from Solflare. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.